Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. Today we're doing some more stuff with the Glowforge. As you guys know, I've done a lot of videos with my Sharpie 3, and I've also been expanding my business and trying to go into some new products, new product lines. So I bought a Sharpie. I had a laser to test out my market and to see if I had a market that would be valid for a laser and lasered products, and my market for that has done well. My coasters, my trivets, I've sold more of them than I can even begin to talk about. I had a $200 Elks Maker laser, 2.5 milliwatt, and I engraved more stuff for that thing in the last 4 years that I've owned it than I can even begin to tell you. That laser paid for itself. That laser paid for the Glowforge that's sitting next to me now. So I suggest starting out with something that you can test and market. If you know you've got a market for it, man, go straight for the Glowforge. I love my laser. Today we're going to talk about doing tiles. These tiles are just Home Depot 4x4 tiles that I have covered with tape. I draw a little X to line up. I mark the edges of where the taper starts in the tile so I can line it up with the laser with a camera looking down at it. When I'm doing a lot of tiles in a row, I use my little metal plates that you'll see in a lot of my laser videos, or you will be seeing in a lot of my laser videos. These are metal plates that my uncle cut for me for my other laser to help hold things in place because I had to have a fan running to help clear the smoke. In this machine, I often use these on the sides to keep stuff from spinning or turning or fluttering when I'm running the laser, especially small stuff. I don't want the tile to turn or rotate or have any movement to it while I'm lasering. So that is why I use the metal plates. If you see them in there, I highly recommend that you be very careful to never hit the metal plate. I don't know what will happen if you do. I don't know if the beam will shoot back up into the machine or shoot off in another direction and cause damage to your laser. Do that at your own risk. The tile can be risky because they are a shiny surface. I cover them with tape. The laser is hitting the tape and burning the tile so quickly that it doesn't have a chance to really bounce the beam. I don't know if you need to tape off tile. I haven't really tried it without the tape. Personally, I just like putting the tape down. It helps me when I'm lining stuff up with the cameras. So at your own risk, do whatever you feel is best with your laser. But we've been doing these, and my mother actually loves doing coloring pages on her iPad, and she will sit and color these for me, and we're selling these at the farmers market that way. Tree of Life Designs. I'll throw some pictures up there that are really nice with the fancy cameras later so you guys can see the nice view of them. What kind of tape do I use? I buy the big roll. I bought my first roll off of Amazon, where everyone else on Facebook was saying to go buy it. It's expensive. It's like a 100-yard roll, and I found a company, and I'll try to drop a link down below, where I buy mine directly from a company that makes masking tape for vinyl signs. And I got a 100-foot roll instead of the 100-yard roll instead of the 10-yard roll for a fraction of the price of the shorter one. So I will throw that link down below for you because it was a huge money savings, and if you're doing this as a business, you want to save that money. And if you're doing it as a hobby, you'd rather be buying wood and materials to put in the laser to make fun stuff than just buying tape. So we'll try and get you those links so that you guys can go find the stuff the same way that I did. Alright, so let's flip around to the computer. I will show you how I lay stuff out and how the laser runs stuff, and we'll have a quick video for you guys. I will do, at the end of this, we'll talk about the markers and how we color them without making a big mess. Alright guys, let's go check out the computer. Alright guys, this is not my computer, so I don't have screen capture software. This is my mother's computer. She's a graphic designer. She has all the cool software to do all the graphics work that I need to do for my business. So here she has one of the tiles laid out for me. Yes, it's great having a graphic designer for a mother. She makes things so easy for me. and I'm going to just drag it over here. I'm going to hit set focus, click right in the center. Now I have created my own custom settings for a lot of my work that I do. I have one here that says tiles on it. My laser settings, lines per inch, are 340. Number of passes 1. Set focus height 0.03. All these tiles are the same, so I can set this one program up to run for all the tiles that I'm going to be doing. My power over here is at full strength, and my speed I have set at 1,000. Alright, so I've selected that here on the side. Click back over here. I can finish lining that up. And there we go, all done. Now, of course, we just come up here to the print button, hit print, and because I hit set focus, I shouldn't have to adjust it after it does this. Sometimes your art will jump when it does the final check before it runs, but it looks like it did not move this time. So I'm going to go over. You can see it says magic time, 19 minutes, 14 seconds. Let's go over to the laser and watch this program. Okay guys, so I didn't realize until I was watching it through my camera how not exciting it is to see something that's white being lasered and turning white. So we're probably going to have this playing up here in the corner while I'm talking, because that was so not exciting to watch. What do we use to color in our tiles to make them have that cool effect? Sharpies, Sharpie Poster-paint pens, and STA Metallic Color Pens. I'll try and get a picture in here if I can with the video running. I'll throw them down in the description for you too. So that's it guys. Quick, easy, simple. We color on them. We keep a dish of water, and we have paper towels, which we try not to use paper towels any more than we have to. We also just take old sheets or shirts and cut them up and use that and just dip it in water and white. You'll see quite a bit. You'll see these little claws hanging around our house. We moved and had to downsize a lot of things, and a lot of stuff got cut up into sheets, got cut up into rags for our businesses and our crafts. One of the great things about having a mother who is crafty and a father who is handy is we have all kinds of cool stuff around our house, so we had a ton of supplies to play with to find the right kind of markers. If you don't believe me, this is her little marker bucket that she sets some colors the tiles in with. So guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks again for coming over and watching, and remember guys, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and help me out. Thanks.